Hi guys, Anthony here from the Faculty of Apps with another quick tip for your Apple devices. There are two ways that I know of where you can set or change the default app for specific file types on your iPhone. If you want to do this for the files you have saved in the Files app, then first up, I recommend tapping on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and scrolling down to View Options. Here I recommend enabling this option to show all file name extensions. This will make it a lot easier to identify the different types of files you have saved in the Files app. Now for many apps, the default viewer is Apple's Preview app. For example, if you want to view a PDF, by default it's going to open in the Preview app. To open a PDF or any other file type in a different app, start by long pressing on the file. This will bring up the context menu. Here one of the options available to you is Open With. This will allow you to open the file in a different application on this one occasion. It will then revert back to opening in the default application the next time you click on it. Using Open With does not permanently change the file's default application. To permanently change the default app for a PDF or any other file type, you want to tap on Get Info. Here is where you can choose which application to set as the new default application. You are then given the option to set this new application for just this individual file or for all files with the same file type. So now when I tap on a PDF, it should open in my Adobe Acrobat app, like so. This should work for any file assuming you have an alternative application installed that can open that type of file. There are a few quirks, however. For example, I did find it slightly odd that the Photos app isn't listed as an option to open this JPEG photo. Leave me a message in the comments section if you know the answer to that one. Another place where you can set default applications is in Settings. Scroll all the way down to Apps. And here at the top of the list, you have the option to set your default apps for things like email and messages. Simply go through each one and choose which app you wish to use as default. You can also set your default browser here too. So that is how to set or change the default apps for files on your iPhone. If you found the video useful, please consider tapping the Super Thanks button below or clicking the link in the description to buy me a coffee. Genuinely, there is nothing more rewarding than receiving your support, so thank you. It really is appreciated. And you should definitely check out this video showing you how to connect 2 pairs of headphones to your iPhone, or how about this video showing you how to maximize the battery life of your iPhone or iPad. Until next time, my name is Anthony. Thank you very much for watching.